Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel. Today is the 10,000 calorie challenge. 10,000 calories will be consumed by the end of the fucking day.
Probably by 12.
Probably
by 12.
You see, this is the thing. 10,000 calories does not seem that hard to eat. Like, I don't think that's a challenge.
Yeah, because we've planned it out, haven't we?
We've planned it out. I'll tell you what's quite funny. I'll say it's more of an opportunity because we've both just finished prep to just sort of eat a bunch of stuff that we've been dreaming about on prep.
Yeah.
But what was quite funny when we were planning this yesterday is we were being very, very fucking picky with where we were eating. We were like, no, we can't consume a mass amount of calories over there.
I'll give it to you. X gonna give it to you.
And then, yeah, bear in mind, just a couple of weeks earlier, when we did prep, we were literally wet dreaming over an extra bowl of oats.
Oh yeah.
Literally.
Give me 20 more grams of oats.
Yeah. And now we're just like, we cannot consume these calories.
McDonald's is not good enough.
McDonald's was not good enough. It did not make the list.
It did not make the list.
It was considered. So this is Hayden.
Hello.
I'll be a fat pig with him. And Zach is over there. He's just entered the house. He's just broken in.
Hello.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Hello.
You alright?
Right, answer me now. Answer me, you cunt. Basically, the precautions taken today, because I like to be accountable.
Huge mess.
Yeah. So we've done some. Have you done some calorie borrowing?
A little bit.
I've done some calorie borrowing around today. Some cardio. We're going to train today.
Yeah.
We're going to be drinking a lot of fluid.
A lot.
To aid digestion.
20 litres.
Excellente, pumpkin wente.
We're going to be trying to space out the calories again for digestion, and we're taking some GDAs as well.
I've also got digestive enzymes actually.
Have you?
Yeah, I have.
It's going to be a
So
lot of people
precautions are being taken. We're not just
Yeah.
we're not just smashing calories in us.
And Jack's actually bought an extra toilet. Just
Yeah. I've installed an extra toilet in the household so people can have diarrhea in it.
Yeah, basically.
So we've just all gathered now, and we're gonna get ready for breakfast. So I'll catch you. Fuck. Catch you later, man. So we're here for breakfast. This is the Morrison's Big Daddy. The meat, just this alone, is 2,200 calories. Am I right, Hayden? Apparently. I don't know. 2,200 calories. That's someone's daily intake, on average.
Yeah.
It doesn't seem like that. But that's what it says it is. And then there's that little bit of cake there. So in this breakfast is 2 black puddings, 3 hash browns, 3 sausages, scrambled egg, mushrooms, beans, and bacon. And sausages. I don't know if I've just said that. Excellent. Excellente. Fried bread. I'm cleaning up both fried bread. We're all going to have diarrhea by the end of the day.
I cannot wait. It's going to be glorious. Get to the cargo bay.
You don't eat till you have diarrhea then.
Have you done 10k?
What's the point, man? What's the point?
I'll be shitting twice, 3 times tomorrow. Wait.
Only 3?
I shit like 3 times 4
Oh my god. When's the last time you had a breakfast like this?
2 weeks ago.
Really?
Yeah,
I haven't had a breakfast, like a full English breakfast in... I don't know if I've had one this year.
Mine's about.
I'm full.
That's not so. That's not really silly games. I'm gonna beat you for that.
What? The speed of the meal. Yeah, I'll let you win. I'm enjoying this. That's the difference, isn't it? Like, you like to just get it, just consume it like Hoover.
I like to suck my food in my throat.
I like to just savour it seductively. Ow.
Yeah, like breeze.
What a day we have lined up.
I know. So good.
Our battle shall be legendary. Sorry. Jack, I'm so sorry about that. I really am.
It's okay, man.
I really am.
I'll get you back. I'm shit on your head.
You looked very upset. You looked at me and went, fuck.
Like mayonnaise because I'm being conservative.
Fish marmalade.
Oh, I would love
It's
to.
really fucking nice.
Thank you so much.
Anytime. I reckon I think that's wise, you know.
Easily. Easily. I can do 10k just for breakfast.
Very funny.
This is so good. This is so good. This is so good.
Dude, he's barely started, literally.
He has to just come off that though.
Yeah, that's true. It's a big factor into that.
It is.
Big
It's
factor.
like,
Your cravings will be
It's not that,
way.
it's just your hormones. Like,
Yeah.
Your hunger hormone. Like the hormone that tells you when you're hungry and the hormone that tells you when you're full. I'm sure they're like step down.
yeah, your hormones.
So like the
man.
more you eat, the more hungry you get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can physically feel your stomach being like, whoa, volume wise, I'm full. But in your head, you're like,
You're still hungry.
get more shit through my mouth. Tastes so fire.
Exactly.
So excited. Train and then eat and then eat and then eat and then eat.
And then eat.
I can't. You know what's gonna be upsetting when this day ends? That's gonna be upsetting.
It's just teasing me. It's like it's flashing its dick at me. That
It's
cake.
yeah, it's that.
Literally, it's just windmilling. Have a look. What is that? What's it called?
Share it with you. Hey?
Jam cream.
Hey, Jacko? Jacko?
Yeah.
Share it with you.
You're so fucking kind. You don't have to.
Very well, we're sharing it, bro. We're gonna share it together.
You're just throwing me 150 calories ahead of the pack. Like, just snaking me out like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
It's gonna get to
lazy.
later, and then
Lazy.
you're gonna be eating all this shit, and I'm gonna be like, I can't, I've had my calories for the day.
It's funny how we're saying that about a 10,000 calorie challenge. It's supposed to be a challenge, and we're worried about preserving our calories. Zach, you've butchered this horrendously. Should we try to say?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Wow. What you have, lad?
There you go.
Thank you. I'll have the
Yes, you will.
decimated part.
I don't want it.
There.
Oh my god. Oh my.
So that is breakfast done very easily. Right, that is with the cake thing included. That's got to be about 2,500. That
Good
be
for
fine.
you. You're on 2,250.
He knows exactly. He knows exactly. That was so fucking easy. That was a very easy way to just consume that amount of calories.
Oh yeah.
We probably need to slow down because I'm still very hungry.
Fucking incredible.
But the plan is now we're going to train. We're going to train again.
up on some cardio. There's Zach. There's Hayden alone on his bike. And yeah, we're just doing a bit of cardio today, so we don't feel as guilty about the rest of the meals we're about to consume. Finishing off this cardio and another big fucking meal after. I'll catch you sooner.
We are now in KFC. We are now in KFC, and I have a mighty bucket for one with a Oreo milkshake, gravy, and 2 cookies because they ran out. I wanted the cookie collection. I wanted 4. We've all had the mighty bucket, so we're all pretty even on calories. Just for reference, I did want a big bucket. These guys were too fussy for it. How the fuck is my phone? Oh.
That's brilliant, keep that in.
Wow, brilliant. Look at that.
Yeah,
Very. This is so good. I sort of ordered a large gravy. This looks impeccable. This is nearly gone. Oh my god. I won't buy a cookie off one of you, mate.
I'll give you one.
You gotta give me a cookie, man.
No, I like helping people out.
I'm pretty sure I need to bone.
Got good though.
Yeah. It's a little ice cream. I've got a replacement for the lack of cookies, but I'm going to move on to cookies very quickly. I've been promised these are the best cookies around by many people. So I'm a big cookie enthusiast, so I'm going to try it. It's got your approval, and to dip it in there. Wow.
Amazing.
That is amazing. Oh my god, that is so good. Dip it in ice cream. That's absolutely delightful. Eating it with a spork. Spork Brothers.
You nice.
What would the gaggle be? Down. These cookies are the only thing I ever need for the rest of the day. I'm doing the rest of the 10,000 calories on these cookies.
It would be very easy, wouldn't it? And about 6.
Jack, I want you to taste this. Oh, taste that block.
Oh my
I'll
god.
try your eyes. I don't know.
Are you still wanting to give away that cookie?
And my mind was changed
I hope
after
so.
that, mate. I'll be honest with you.
We're all done. Goodbye. So we've arrived in Tesco.
Oh yeah.
We have
Let's have a look. Oh, that's a good selection.
crispy cremes. This is the selection of crispy cremes. So we have Hayden's selection here, my selection, and Zach's selection.
It's going to be good.
They're all going down. I'm not saying it's so good. We had KFC 10.
Yeah, 10 minutes ago, and now we're getting amazing.
So we're about to consume the crispy cremes.
Donuts.
Back in the box.
Lotus Biscoff.
Caramel glaze.
Oh,
I haven't had crispy cremes in a long time. So we're gonna consume this.
So now I'm going to
What
do.
have you got?
I've got a caramel ring
I've got
glazed,
originally glazed.
apparently.
Mm.
That's funny.
Someone's robbing you. Someone's
Being
robbing your car.
That is crazy. Oh.
Blocking Hayden.
Yeah, said a bit.
That was immense.
Just whip my laptop out. There we go.
That was immense.
Is it immense?
We need more donuts.
More donuts.
Before it's not going to satisfy me, I'm still pissed off about the lack of cookies in KFC.
Yeah, me too.
We could go back.
Well,
I'm having a very good time. Like, I don't know. I don't think I've ever enjoyed anything like this.
Juggling donuts.
Oh.
Oh, that one's got a nice little shitty
I
bun.
can't believe that's happened.
you are such a rookie with
What have you
donuts.
done? What have you done?
He's eating a donut from. You're supposed to eat a donut from the arsehole end, so it
Yeah.
doesn't drip everywhere. Known fact. Everyone knows that.
I keep spelling shit on my top.
Well,
man.
if you're fucking smart with I eat fucking donuts, you don't leave their arsehole hanging out to shit all over you.
That's got a dirty bum piece.
So I have
It's got
to eat,
dirty bum all that, hasn't it?
I have to eat the ring.
Cheers. See how big you can get your mouth in it.
I'm sound.
I can't get in there. Ooh. Oh my god.
How was that? They're nice.
No.
No.
I don't like chocolate donuts. I wish them upset brown.
It's not nice. You don't like chocolate donuts. You eating a chocolate donut.
I always regret getting chocolate donuts. I prefer like caramelly or fruit donuts.
Wow. That is very sexual. That's like a party in my mouth and everyone's invited. Everyone.
I can't believe there's half a donut. I do not like it. Would you like it?
I fucking would. Thank you so much.
It's fine.
My topping's fallen off completely.
You just shit with donuts, you are, mate.
Wow. Bro, how do you avoid that?
Look at the top of it, it's like a bun. It's like a burger bun.
I don't know where to put this well.
Oh, that's fucked.
Okay.
This man is currently eating his first donuts ever, apparently. Sure.
You are the donut guy.
Oh, yeah.
Like, Hayden's the guy who consumed many Krispy Kremes throughout his contest prep.
I did. All planned.
All planned. And he looked awesome.
It worked so well.
Yeah.
The night before.
Here's a photo.
Have a bit of water.
So photo's going to go up there with a big fat guy.
Yeah, man. Game.
I love eating. I love eating.
Safely.
He's letting us down, isn't he, man? Like, I feel alright.
Are you struggling with this 10k? Oh shit. What is wrong with me?
That's amazing. How many donuts have you gone to?
2.
He's struggling now.
Feel horrific. Absolutely fucking horrific. I'm
Brilliant.
gonna puke, but I'm gonna carry on.
You're gonna puke and shit yourself.
Yeah, I'm gonna puke, but I'll carry on after.
I really thought 10,000 calories would be a pet.
I'm enjoying it.
And it is.
I'm just gonna inform you're gonna listen to some horrific noises in a minute. I really do mean that. Like, you've never heard someone throw up like me.
You're not gonna. Are you actually gonna get on throw?
Oh, I am. I can feel it.
I cannot believe you're going to throw up. To be fair, you haven't just come off prep, man, so
Yeah.
like you're off season, aren't you?
Yes.
Wow.
He's doing great for the off season appetite, isn't he?
Wow. Yeah.
I'm thinking about that last donut. Thinking about that Nutella in my mouth just exploding. Oh,
Okay, so with Brett. Well,
Nutella.
Bissell.
How's it going, Zach?
Thanks. Yeah.
I'm trying to encourage you because there's nothing worse than just having it lingering. You just want to get it out of you, like the throw up, the spew. But if you can keep it down, then I suppose keep it down. So, yeah. I'm gonna eat from the arsehole. Do you eat from the arsehole? Is that the donut trick. Your soul, right there. That's where I'll be putting my mouth. Very shortly.
That's brilliant.
Wow! I feel like we should go to.
Yeah.
What the fuck was that noise?
Don't know.
Hayden, we are having a great day. We're having a great day, Hayden. Oh, so soft. Oh, it's making me hungry. Oh. Instead of more donuts, I want to eat your ass.
Too many carbs. Go over 10k.
Just fibre, really. So we're about to set off on a walk because we need to move this food around, and Hayden is very disguised at the moment because he does not want to be recognised because of his celebrity status. Yeah. This video is blurry. The camera needs wipe. It's got grease on from.
I've got so much shit on your camera.
I know, terrible. It's terrible.
Respect my authority.
So Zach's unconscious at the moment. He's having a nap. He's napping the food off, and we're gonna walk it off. So
We have bounds of energy. Because this is more food than I've eaten in the past 10 months.
yeah, I don't usually eat 10,000 calories, but
Just on the special occasion, that is Friday.
it's a Friday, so let's go for it. So we'll catch you later. Bye, Dad. Hello, so we are at Burger King at the moment. We have the Bacon King here, some fries, an Oreo milkshake, and Hayden has the same. God. Oh my god, so good. That sweet?
For his father's having to sleep in a cargo, he's having a good sleep.
Yeah, Burger King. Underrated legend, not talked about enough. People are like, oh, let's go McDonald's, let's go McDonald's. I wouldn't even spit on McDonald's. Yeah, no, the nuggets are good. A little bit of backstory. We were going to go Five Guys, but Hayden's car is actually dying. It's slowly fucked up.
Indeed.
A little bit of malfunction, so we thought, without risking life, we're going to stay clear of Five Guys, and we've gone to
Look at it.
Burger King.
Look at it. You full?
Yeah,
Alright.
hungry. Easy going.
Very easy going. I feel hungry now.
Really?
Yeah. I feel hungrier now than I did before I started this meal. We have completed. What meal is this? We've had a lot of meals. We've completed this particular meal. It was very nice. What do you guys think of that meal?
Yeah.
Good.
Great.
You look
6.5
you look
out of 10.
traumatized. You look shell-shocked of calories. Like the calories have just traumatized you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm good to go, man. So we'll see you for the next meal. Okay, so we are back at home with Hayden. Zach didn't make it to this meal.
He's not finished it.
He's just gone.
He's
So-
failed the campaign.
Yeah, I believe so.
It's not for the faint of heart, I suppose.
Yeah, I mean you were struggling earlier.
I was struggling, I did die. He died for 2 hours, I died for probably also 2 hours.
Yeah,
I was
just
happy to
crashed.
just die on the settee for a bit.
I've done okay. I don't
You
need
might die after this.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Do you guys want to see what we're eating now? Our next part of gluttony. Should I turn the light off? Yeah, so let me show you. We've ordered from Papa John's, but not what you would expect. So we have the cinnamon scrolls. Beautiful. Oh my god, they look beautiful. We have the toffee apple sticks. And yeah, Hayden's got his share of the cinnamon scrolls. And we've got some milk.
Course.
Of course, to wash it down. So we've gone and ordered from Papa John's some desserts. But yeah, this should finish us up for the 10k. That apparently, according to Hayden, one of the best cinnamon sort of swirl things going in the UK. Oh my god. Why have I only ordered one box of this?
I'm not a fan of the cinnamon things, not the cinnamon things, the apple things.
Yeah, that's not the best, sorry. So, it is 20 to 10 at the moment. We started, when did we have our first meal?
About 9:30.
About 9:30ish.
So,
Maybe
12
close
hours.
to 10.
12 hours.
12 hours, we've done 10k.
10k. 10k.
And
10k.
how did you find that 10k?
It got more difficult as it went along. I think you'd agree. But you didn't struggle as much as me.
I don't know. I didn't struggle, I just felt bloated, mainly. I could easily eat a lot more now, to be fair.
I have just
Like,
I haven't done any shit since 2k.
no shitting since see, I came in and I had a beautiful dump. It was, the logs I created were very firm.
I really don't like this toffee apple thing. Tastes awful.
Do you think we spent the last calories right?
Yeah. Maybe. Not on this.
Not on the toffee. We're hating on it, man. What's funny is this compared to prep. You would dream of this, wouldn't you? Dream of this meal. You'd be on the bike, dreaming of this all day. Just doing your cardio and you're just salivating at the thought of just being able to touch this food with your tongue. And now we're just smashing it in our mouths because we don't even.
Just forcing it in.
Yeah, we're just forcing it in. This here is the last thing I'll eat today.
Is it?
The last part of the 10k challenge. All done.
Yeah.
How do you feel
Full.
after consuming 10,000 calories?
Full. I am very full. This last cinnamon roll is going to be a pain. Would you like it? Because I'm at 10,300.
Okay.
This is the last
This?
thing.
It's going to be the last thing I eat today. This will finish the 10,000. This will be finishing more than the 10,000 calorie challenge.
Stop throwing up all over yourselves.
You got to start again.
I'm going to shit I am in a minute.
Yeah, so 10,000 calories, we said it was going to be very easy at the start of the day. We were very cocky. I am going to admit, it was very easy, man. It was just Hayden that fucking struggled.
Fuck you, man. I'm fine. I'm on 10,000.
Oh, I'm finishing your food. Hold on. We're all done. That is above 10,000 because why not? When in Rome. Where are you going? Go for a shit.
I'm going for shit.
I hate it going for a shit. Please don't make a mess of my toilet. So we finished. We're fucked. We're literally fucked. The gases that are being created now by everyone is just terrible. It stinks in this place. The past few places we've made a very bad smell. So I am going to leave this video here. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, like the video, subscribe, comment.
Look at the veins on my legs.
Do you wanna say goodbye to the video, Hayden?
Yeah.